Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this video is not about Corel Draw, it's more about Facebook. Several months ago, somebody hacked in my Facebook accounts, both of them, and not only changed my password, but changed my email. I can't get them back. So I'm starting a new Facebook page. This is what it's going to look like. Have you seen my YouTube videos? I've already posted one file, which is the cross file. I'm going to put this link at the bottom. Please ask to join and I'll sign you up. But until I really get going on it, it's still better and quicker to email me questions. When you email me a question, tell me what your problem is. Send me a Corel file if possible. Send me a JPEG. But if you have a JPEG, go ahead and send it inside of a Corel file, because then I'll know your settings and everything. But feel free to email me to this email and stay tuned for more updates. And I will be posting files as I create them or find them that I created to my file group inside of Facebook. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.